What would it take for industry to use nothing but green energy? We have to make it an easy choice. It's the only way we can do it, as fast as the world needs. The sun has all the energy we need, every day, for free. There is no shortage of green energy, except at night, and when the wind isn't blowing. We're so used to flicking a light switch that we forget. The electricity we use isn't actually stored anywhere. Without it, what do you think is powering the manufacturing of all products in our daily life? It's still just fossil fuels spewing CO2 into the atmosphere. Tons, every day. We can't choose to wait for daylight. We can't wait for winds to blow. But even if every factory decided to electrify all at once, the grid couldn't handle it. Current capacity took 100 years to build, and simply doubling it to give space to all renewables will hit the economy, push nature, and take too long. We need to do it smarter. We need a grid that can breathe, with demand, with the wind, like a lung. If you want electricity from the system, you must know when to breathe and when to hold your breath. First off, industry must be made capable of using the abundance of renewable energy at off-peak hours. We need to put that energy into a box. We need to disconnect the time energy is made from when it is used. It's called load shifting. Secondly, 2/3 of the industrial energy demand comes from the need for heat, not electricity. And 90% of that demand uses fossil fuels. But why buy really expensive electrical batteries when all you need is steam? That is why we have created Heatcube, to decarbonize the industry. We use molten salt and steam in Kyoto's thermal battery. No rare earth minerals, because steam is what the industry needs. Buy electricity when it's cheap, stay off the grid at peak hours, collect it from solar panels during the day, or when the wind is blowing. It's up to you. We charge the battery by heating salt up to 500 degrees and store it to give you a constant source of green energy, or just to lower your electricity bill. You can connect it to whatever power source you need, and the output can be hundreds of megawatt hours in as many cycles as you want, scaled to fit your demand for heat. We believe that using thermal energy storage for load shifting is the final missing link between renewable energy and industrial process heat. It allows decarbonization of industry to pick up speed now. We empower the industry with clean process heat, powered by nature, enabled by people, assisted by AI.